Alright, so we have our character animating, looking at the camera blinking, and now we are going to model the shoe of the character. So what I will do is in the internet browser I searched for 3D cartoon shoes. Okay, 3D cartoon shoes, and I found this image, and we're going to use this as a reference to create our shoe. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to model a shoe. So I felt that the foot was little bigger than what I had liked, so I created a little smaller box. I'll make sure that the edge faces are on, and we will add a few lines. So we will add one line, two lines. So this is the front part, this is the back part, and this is the middle part. We'll add one line in the middle so that we can scale, extrude and scale elements here. I think I'll need one line here and one line here, so we'll add 1, 2. So this is one part, this is the other part, and this is the middle part. Okay, so I'll convert this to editable poly. Okay, so in the top view, let us get a few things modeled here. So I'll focus on, see, this is one part and this is the other part. Okay, so this is the first part, so we will scale this out and we'll scale this out, and then we'll do the same thing for the back. Scale this out and we will scale this out. Okay, so that takes care of the basic shape. Generally the back is little smaller than the front. Okay, and then we will extrude this part up. Okay, it can be scaled in. Oh, wait, we need to scale it inside. We'll select the vertex and move the vertex up. Okay, we'll do the same thing with the back part. Extrude it. Okay, then we will insert it. We'll extrude it inside. We'll keep some distance here and then we'll extrude it again. So you can see here that we created one line here, and then the second line will go all the way inside. Okay, so I'll move this out, shift copy it as a reference. And then we will add mesh smooth modifier. Mesh smooth, and the iterations will be 2, so you get the basic shape of the shoe. Okay, now you can look at this one and then model this one. So we need a lip here. Go to edge, we'll click on this, and then we will ring it so all the vertices are selected. we will connect and move up. Then we can go to polygon, and then we have to select all these polygons on top. Okay, and we will extrude it out. Okay, and then you can see how it extrudes. So we have to use the type of extrusion which is local normals. Okay, then give a little thickness to it. Okay, so this needs to be bigger. So I will go to the edge mode and this, control this, for example, we will select and then we will loop it and we will scale it inside. Okay, we can even try to move it up. We will select this one and move it up. So loop it and then give it a nice round look. Maybe this one is too big, so we will go to the side, and I think this one is kind of big, so move it down. Okay, that is moving. Okay, if you want, you can select this, control select this and move it down, then make this, control select this and move it out. So now here, from here onwards, it is up to you what all do you need for your shoe. It has a base width, but I don't like the base. I just want this. So maybe you can select this, loop it, ring it, and then you can add one line at the bottom here so that it gives a flat surface. Does that look nice, or this looks better? This gives more of a organic look to it. This spoils it. Okay, so this should be good enough. So once you're done, you don't need this object, you have to use this. What I will undo it, and what you can also modify the shoe so that the left and the right have a different look. So maybe this can come, okay, so this can come inside, this can go inside. Okay, then maybe make it a little bit more profound. Oh well, this is actually supposed to be the right foot, so the toe line here will come in the front. More straightish, so that is good enough. So this will be the left right foot, and then we can delete this now, then mirror it. We need to find the mirror tool, and then we have to copy it, and then those will be the 2 feet. Okay, so what we will do is change the color. Of course, we had blue shoes. Okay, so we will get rid of these, and then we will place this shoe in this place. Let us make sure it is in the right place. This is actually the other shoe here, or is it correct? No, it is correct. This will go here, and this will go here. Try to align it, and all we do is we link this shoe to this box, and we link this shoe to this dummy box, and now our animation remains the same. Okay, get rid of edged faces. Then when we play it, now the character is having the shoes. Okay, I think the shoes are kind of, we will scale it evenly in Y. So this is 32 will become 25. We can do the same here, minus 25. Now they look cute. And then if you want to modify the animation, because now our shoes are smaller, so we will also make our gizmo small. Now if we scale the gizmo, then the shoe will also scale. So that is what we will do. We will make it big as the gizmo, and then if we can scale the gizmo, say 250, 250, and then we will have to auto key this again, and then we need to update our key at 0, and then we can turn this button here key mode toggle, so it will jump from keyframe to keyframe. Okay, so if this is off, it goes from frame to frame and then beginning and end, but if you turn this on, then it goes to keyframe to keyframe. So now this keyframe will come back, then this keyframe will we need to be slide and see. There's a slide, so we don't like the slide. Okay, okay, so I rescaled those shoes, and then we will try to make sure that when we animate, we don't have any slide. So in the beginning there will be no slide, I guess. So there is a slide here. So I'll shift copy this key so the slide doesn't happen. And this key will be here. So from back it goes there. And now this has to be copied from 10 to 20. And at 20 this will go back. So 10 to 20 is good, and 20 to 30 there is a slide, so we'll copy this again. So there is, and we can see that is happening. That has to be fixed in curve editor. It's not happening anymore. So now so we have to redo our animation because we made the feet longer, shorter I mean. Alright, and because the head is always going to be positioned between the legs, we don't have to worry about okay. Alright, so we have character with shoes and blink. In the next class we will animate a run cycle for the character.